So, Satagun maintenance in charge is Vishnu himself. Without Vishnu, nobody can maintain. Just like one contractor, he can manufacture a very big skyscraper building, but to maintain it, it requires another management. How to manage and maintain. And dissolution, anyone can break this big skyscraper. These three things are going on. So the maintenance in charge is Narayana. He is expansion, Vishnu. Vishnu. Vishnu is supplying all the needs of our. We have so many living entities, innumerable. But Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, He is supplying all our needs. Just like Father, He supplies the needs of the family, children. Namely, Vishnu is maintaining. Eko jo bahunam vidadati kama. So many different varieties of living entities, and they have got different demands, different necessities. Everything is supplied by Vishnu. Eko jo bahunam vidadati kama. That is God. So, we cannot declare independence. That is not possible. There is no independence. We are completely dependent on Vishnu. There is no doubt about it. You cannot manufacture your necessity, all the necessities. You can manufacture some motor car or some needle or this or that, but you cannot manufacture the primary necessities of life. That is not possible. When there is scarcity of food, you cannot manufacture in your factory. That is not possible. That you have to receive from Vishnu, from God. That is explained in the Bhagavad Gita, that annad bhavanti bhutani. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhava. Parjanyat anna sambhava. Anna means food grains. Or even you take that my anna, my food is animal. That's all right. Either you eat animal or vegetable or food grains, it is supplied by God. You cannot manufacture it. Suppose I am eating vegetable, you are eating meat. But meat, you cannot manufacture. A vegetable also I may not manufacture. That is supplied by God. Eko jo bahuna vidadati kaman. Whatever our necessities are there, it is supplied by God, Krishna. So, he advises, this world, although Krishna supplies everything, but still you have to work. You have to work. This material world means karma sangha. Without working, you cannot live. You have to work. There is a verse in the Bhagavad Gita, karma jaya karmana. Sarira jatra vite na prasiddheta karma. Do not stop working. Some foolish people say that we are not working. We are working for Krishna. It is not that we are not working. Working is necessary here. But the difference is, a bhakta is working under the direction of Krishna, and non-devotees are working under the direction of Maya. That is the difference. Therefore bhakti and ordinary work, karmis, it looks similar. similar. That these men, they are also working, they are also cooking, they are also going to the press, they are also typing, they are this. So, what is the difference between bhakti and karma? The difference is that we are working for Krishna and others are working for Maya. That is the difference. So, nirbandhe Krishna sambandhe yukta vairagam uchyate. Working is not stopped. Our Goswamis, Rupa Goswami, they retired from their ministerial service. They went to Vrindavan, but the work increased. When they are ministers, they are sleeping 13 hours. But when they went to Vrindavan, they had no time to sleep even for 2 hours. That is Vrindavan life. That is Vrindavan life. There no time. Tattatu unnamasi samandalapati saning sada tuchava. Bhutya dina ganesha kau karunaya kaupina kanthasito. These are the description of the Goswami. That by the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they retired from ministerial job. Tatya turnam asesa mandalapati sani. Mandalapati, very, very big man, society, minister. His business was with big man. Who can see the minister? The jamindar, the big business. So, he gave up that association. Then what? He began, Bhutya dina ganesako karunaya kopina kanthasi. He took up a small loin cloth. You have seen the picture of Goswami. Why? Just to show compassion and mercy to the whole world what's suffering. So how much business he increased? He was minister of a state. Now he has to do good to the whole world. How much responsibility it is. Nana shastra vicharanayika nipuno sadharma sanghastapako. They had to establish real purpose of religion. Sadharma sanghastapako. So, presented so many books so that they may understand what is the meaning of religion. Nana shastra. Nana means varieties of shastra. Vicharane. After deliberation, you will find therefore Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu or any book written by the Goswamis, all giving reference from the Shastra. Nana Shastra Vicharane Kanipino Sadharma Lokalan Hitakarino. So Vaishnava, the servant of Narayana, Narayana Parasadvena Kutasyana Bhibhati, they are not afraid to go anywhere for the service of Narayana. Narayana Parasadvena Kutasyana Bhibhati. Because Narayana has got so many widespread government and Narayana's servant, Narayana Para, they have to go everywhere. Narayana Parasadvena Kutasyana Bhibhati. They are not afraid. No, I'll have to go to such distant place. No friend, no money. How shall I go? No, Narayana is there. Narayana Para, now Bhibhati, he is not afraid of. Whether I am going to die or live, it doesn't matter. I must go there. It is the order of Narayana. This is the word. Narayana Para Sarve, na Kutasyana Bhibhati. Sarga Apavarga Naraki Sabi, Tullartha Darshina. Narayana orders, go to hell and preach. Yes. Tullartha, if you send me in heaven or hell, I don't mind. Thank you very much.